G'day everyone, thanks for joining us. Yowies are down Psyche Pumps. That's what's in the background there. So yeah, there's a little creek that comes off here that goes to the billabong. And apparently Grandpa Yowie told me the other day that somebody caught a cod here. So, we'll see. But yeah, give you a look around and we'll get into putting them rods in the water. Sitting back and enjoying the day. Stay tuned. Alright, gave you a little look around the pumps. Now I'll show you where we're going to chuck the rods in. Right here. Alright, let's get the worms on the hook. Nice rod. Thank you, baby. Look at the colour of it. Purple, green, black. It's like licorice. Love it. While the rods are in, we've had a couple of nibbles, but I was sitting back and I noticed this. Now that Psyche Pumps in front of you sits on the river's edge. All locals know this, but if you're not local, she sits on the river's edge. But 2 years ago we had a flood. Have a look at this. Yeah, now spin you around. Look at this. This is where the water was up to. Like that's above my shoulders. And there's the old pump station. Yeah, she got flooded. But anyhow, enough about the flood. We're down here fishing. Get back to me rod. Now in the distance there I heard Mrs. Yowie yelling out, "I've got something on me lure."
Finally!
Caught a yabby net. That's disgusting. Bloody eyebrows. Well, at least you caught something with your new lure.
Hey!
Well, we've been here for about an hour and a half. We've had a couple of bites. But it's fishing hour now. The sun's starting to go down. So hopefully they start biting soon. Because we've had nothing. Got off.
Got off?
On the shrimp too.
Yeah, see?
Alright, I'm going to chuck another shrimp in. Alright, just baited me rod. Not much is happening. So we're going to go cook a feed. Well, I'm in the middle of cooking it. So I'll show you what it is. Yeah, there we have it. We're having cheeseburgers. While we're fishing. Alright, there we have it. Final product, cheeseburger. Alright, I'm going to rip into this with a nice Scotch and Coke. And then hope the fish bite, because we've had nothing. don't want to startle him, but where is he? Where'd he go? There he is. I'll see if I can get a bit closer. He's sussing me out. Here he goes. Not a bad size. I reckon he's about 1 metre long. Good to see him. Well, since we've got a break in the fishing, because they're not biting, I'm going to take this time to say Happy New Year's to everyone, and be safe in 2025, and watch out for the yowies in 2025, because it's going to be the year of the yowie. Make sure you tell all your friends. Alright, cut. No, I was joking everyone. I'll let him go nice and carefully. Well, that's his butt. That's his head. Alright, Michelangelo. In you go. And off he goes. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. I'll go get it.
Thank you, I got it snagged.
Mr. Yowie to the rescue. Lucky we're packing up. Whoa, this is deep.
Yeah, that's quite deep off the bank, eh? I don't know what I got it stuck on.
Right here. I'll be back.
Thank you, I love you. It's my new one.
$30 lure. Worth the swim, I can tell you. Alright everyone, it brings us to the end of this video. Didn't catch any goddamn fish. Got a few bites, a heap of nibbles, had a wicked feed. But yeah, it's time for us to pack up and go home. So before I say cheerio and all that, I'm going to wish everyone a happy new year. Be safe in 2025. Stay tuned for the yowies in 2025, because we're going to take over the world. So that's enough of me rambling. Cheerio for now. Be safe around the campfire. Stay tuned for next episode. Toodaloo.